Number 1. Motorcycle helmet holder. Motorcycle helmet holder retrofitting upgraded alloy steel S304L. 30% increase in corrosion resistance, plus 50% increase in rust resistance with glossy baking paint. Large standing helmet holder is replaced with better materials just to improve the service life and use experience. With drawer motorcycle helmet rack wood and metal construction is sturdy. Looking forward to helmet holder wall mount to bring you a good experience. Number 2. Motorcycle helmet holder wall mounted. The motorcycle helmet rack is made from durable and sturdy ironwood materials that ensures durability and a classic aesthetic, enhancing the look of any space. This helmet rack is built to last and can handle the weight of your gear without any issues. Size, 32.3 foot 16.99.9. The helmet rack wall-mounted features circular wooden boards designed to store various helmets as well as bucket hats, keeping your headgear safe and in excellent condition. Number 3. SANGMO 3-pack 180 degrees motorcycle helmet rack. The helmet rack is all made of steel, which is sturdy and durable. Will not fade or rust and will not rust. With a rotatable angle design, you can rotate the helmet 180 degrees to a suitable angle. The part that is in contact with the helmet is a spherical surface, and a larger contact area can better protect the helmet. The hook at the bottom can hang motorcycle keys, clothes, backpacks, etc. Number 4. Motorcycle helmet holder wall mounted. The motorcycle helmet rack is made from durable and sturdy ironwood materials that ensures durability and a classic aesthetic, enhancing the look of any space. This helmet rack is built to last and can handle the weight of your gear without any issues. Size, 32.3 foot 16.99.9. Number 5. Custom metal motorcycle helmet holder wall art. Best quality electrostatic painting. Highly resistant to rust and moisture, you can easily hang the decor with nail/screw. The wall art about 1 inch away from the wall, 1.5 mm mild steel metal. We send your orders with sturdy package and we present gift wrapping. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.